have become so popular in the United States, local governments are making up new laws just to deal with them. What's new is Amazon's plan to use their drones to deliver packages to homes and businesses all over the U.S. Amazon's Prime Air Delivery system hopes to get packages weighing 2.25 kilograms or less to their customers in 30 minutes or less. The 24-kilogram drones will fly under an altitude of 121 meters from thousands of distribution centers all over the country. Amazon says the drones are equipped with sense and avoid technology, enabling the unmanned aircraft to sense, then avoid obstacles in its path. Amazon is waiting on final approval from the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration before officially launching their Prime Air service.